All right, another learning day today. I got extremely lucky that I did not lose money today, that I did not blow my account today. Let's just go over what happened. So, before we start, I'm just gonna flat out say I'm making another new rule. I'm learning so many things, but no trading after 11 a.m. That's it. No trading after 11 a.m. Unless I'm already in a trade, then I'll let it run. But no taking trades after 11 a.m. Okay. Um, I could have made money today. Like I said, last week my bias was short or a retracement. I was more leaning towards short, but I was expecting either or. Had I stayed home, I would have saw this 5-minute liquidity sweep at market open with a quick breaker structure. I would have entered all the way down here, stops below these lows for a humongous gain. Unfortunately, I was not home during market open, so I traded around 11 when move was already up, and I traded 4 contracts for whatever reason. I forced a trade because I wanted to trade, but I keep telling myself, and I'm realizing this right now, like they'll always trade another day. The emotions I felt today, literally, were like a slap in the face. Like, bro, I was thinking, like, why did I trade? Why did I trade? Just trade tomorrow, bro. You don't have to trade. Just take your profits, bro. You don't gotta trade. It's better than blowing in the account. Like, come on now, bro. Anyway, and also, even if I missed that, the other entry would be, I just want to go over the trade if I was home. So we had 15-minute breaker structure. Right here, boom. First thing I look for is a 5-minute fair value gap, which I guess we have here. And I'm fine with a wick. I just don't want a closure below the fair value gap. That's the rule. Cause look, wick's fine. If the wick goes under it, then that's fine. All right, wick's in. Boom. 1 minute. Boom, we wick in. I guess, yeah, wick in the 1 minute's fine. But if we close under on the 1 minute, no. Wick in on the 1 minute, boom. Break structure, again, enter here. And if I entered there, see, yeah, there's no way I'm taking a 200-point stop loss. So if I entered there, I would probably just put it below these lows, and that would never get hit. So if I have a stop loss over 100 points, then I'm just putting it below, obviously, the 5-minute order block for a 40-point stop loss, which would not even be $400 with 4 contracts. So I would take 4 contracts with that. Boom. Like I said, I was thinking we're probably gonna have a retracement to fill the giant imbalance here. We'll go over tomorrow later, but I would target the bottom of this imbalance and probably the top of it, and maybe even that up there, which would never end up getting hit. But with that, we're looking at 238-point gain from there. And man, I'm so mad I didn't get a trade this morning, but whatever. It wasn't even amazing because we had this kind of, it was just, I don't know. And then what was I gonna say? Yeah, so we filled that imbalance. Yeah, my first take profit probably would be like these highs. Oh, that's already 3.9. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, at least these highs right here. So we'd have a giant risk reward even on that. Six risk reward. Is that it for today? Oh yeah, I just want to see if I entered off of... Man, that would be nice, bro. Although I would have only 2 contracts. And however, I would be able to get 300 points, so around 1,200 bucks on the day if I stayed home, if I was home. Okay, now let's talk about tomorrow. Whatever. And wait, the 5-minute order block would be this. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Come on now. Come on. Anyway, let's talk about tomorrow. Well, I guess, yeah, it wouldn't matter. So, but anyway. For tomorrow, I'm 100% biased. If I don't get a bias entry, or I'm 100% bearish. If I don't get a bearish entry, then I'm not trading. Listen, I am not trading. I'm locking myself out of my account if I did not find a bearish entry. By the way, you may be asking what happened today, though. I entered just randomly after, like, you know, I saw my setup already played out, so I just entered long, like, around a year. And then I had my stop at $400 with 4 contracts, so you know it's a pretty high probability that I'm gonna get stopped out even if price is gonna go up. And I did get stopped out, and the price went back up, and then I just gambled back my my losses. Literally could have blew my account. I took like 20 contracts. Yeah, it was bad. It was so bad. Absolutely filled with emotions because I was so mad at myself, and I was so mad at myself. No excuses for that. It was really embarrassing to admit that, but I gotta admit it. I gotta hold myself accountable. Cannot do that ever. I'm locking myself out purely. 1 trade, no matter what. I took like 30,000 trades today. Dead serious. I took like 30,000 trades today. Yeah, I could count. I think I took like, I don't even know. Ridiculous. 24. Yeah, like a lot. But yeah, it's tomorrow bearish or I'm not trading. Really, my reason for that is because, look, we just filled that imbalance on the 4 hour. Now, okay, on the daily, we gotta go lower than this. There's not really a reason that, I think we're gonna target at least, hold on. I think we're at least going to target these lows, right? Which will be my take profit, probably my last take profit if I take 4 contracts. If I take only 2, then I'm not going to go that far down because it's just, I'll do like, you know, like I said, at least 1 to 1 and then at least 1 to 2 for the day. But yeah, bearish, we filled this imbalance. Right, and then now we're gonna continue back down because we're still in a 4-hour trend. We never broke forward structure to the upside. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible. Obviously, I could be wrong. You know, maybe we start a new trend up again. Maybe we go further into this imbalance. Maybe we do go into equilibrium. I just don't think so. I think it's time for us to continue down because the daily, you know, we're like back to this thing. This was the uptrend. This is this, right? We have these occasional move ups. Obviously, it's how we're not gonna go. You can't just go down forever. So today just happened to be the occasional up, which I guess it probably could have been. But now I think that yes, there is a chance we go up, whatever. But there is a chance we sweep these lows and go up. Who knows? In that case, then on Thursday or whatever, then we can, or Wednesday, then we can look bullish probably. But that's basically it for tomorrow. Bearish, 1 trade, no matter what, and I'm locking myself out before I have even a thought of trading again. So, yep, I'll see you tomorrow. Also, no trading after 11 a.m. I'm gonna